Alright guys, update on the vacuum leak that I had on my car, the XC90 2006, which you can see I got 170,000 miles and no messages. The service engine message, it came right there where is the 130 miles to empty tank. And you know, when I seen that, I didn't know what happened at first. I was like checking the car, you know, about 2 days, then I find the problem. It was the vacuum leak, and the message is gone now. You can see there's no message. I'm gonna show you what I did to that leak. There's a temporary fix till I buy a little hose for that. Okay. What I did is I see here, the most you can see right here, the camera can focus, is a tape, but it's not electric tape. It's a tape against water and against heat. So this tape, you know, seals the vacuum leak pretty good. And I don't have no vacuum at the moment, and you know the engine light service came off. And the car drove better and sound better and shift better too. So that's the update on it. You know, you could I buy this tape from a parts store. It's gonna say there. It's gonna say on it that the tape is against. You know, is not gonna. It's a heat. It's against heat and water. In cold climate, so it's not gonna affect that. It's not gonna affect it till you get your hose. You know, you buy a hose and you replace it. But this is temporarily fixed on the go. I'm going to download some more videos about this car. I bought this car and I did some work to it. I did a lot of work to it, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do if you start feeling certain things on your car. Alright guys, talk to you later.